I tested out my head pins to make sure these little pearls would go on. And to find the thinnest ones I've got. So hopefully they work. I'm going to make a pair of earrings using these different kind of beads that I got in a bulk pack. So starting with a head pin, I've got a pearl on it that I got from somewhere a long time ago. We did a bulk order one time. Put this bead on. Need longer head pins. This is just a quick little earring. I guess it's a tutorial. But we're just going to do the little loop at the top. If I can get it to go around one time, I will. Ain't much of a head pin left, so this is working with really short wire. All I want it to do is go around one time because it's thin wire, and I'm afraid that if I don't loop it at least once, it'll pull out first time somebody catches their hair on it. That's as good as I can see. I have to get me some of those little reading glasses. I tested my eyes, but either I get tired and then I get weaker or something. I don't know. Ain't fun getting older. Stuff starts falling apart. I thought I'd do a couple of quick little earring videos. Funny thing about it is picking out the beads for the earring videos is about twice as long as it'd take me to wrap a pendant. And this is working with really short wire. I have to get some longer, say 24 gauge head pins if I'm going to use pearls because their holes are drilled so tiny. Keep grabbing the wrong tool. Just get it around there at least once. I got it hooked at least a little bit. gauge wire to go through the pearls. I got copper, but I didn't think copper would look good with this color. Okay. Quick little video of a pair of earrings. I need to get some longer wire. Hope you enjoyed that short video of me struggling with the little short head pins. Next time I'll try the copper, I guess. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.